Hi everybody, I am going to talk about a spiral drawing today, and we're going to do some different kinds of spiral drawings. As you watch this video, I would like you to open vr.vex.com and work on something similar. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but I do want you to follow along and do your own thing. So let's start by talking about our two main code blocks that we use in every single program. We're going to drive forward for a certain amount of distance and turn for a certain number of degrees. And I'm just going to leave these over to the side because I know I'm going to use them. The other thing that I'm going to do to always start a program is set my drive velocity to be faster than 100% and my turn velocity to be faster than 100%. Don't do this with a real-life robot. It will get very angry at you, and it'll probably blow up or catch on fire. But I'm just going to move both of these to 500% so that we can finish the program a little faster. The other thing that I pretty much always will do for a program like this is put the pen down. And that is under looks. Move robot pen down. So I think we can pretty much always start a program like this if we want to mark the ground. So for a spiral drawing, it's all about repeat loops. We're going to use this repeat 10 loop, repeat a certain number of times. And we're going to use this loop multiple times for this project. So I am going to go ahead and just pop that repeat loop in there. So what do we do for the repeat loop to start our drawing? We're going to go forward for a certain amount. And just from doing this before, I know that 200 is not very much. Let's just start by saying 500. Drive forward for 500 millimeters. And then I'm going to take another repeat and put it inside the other repeat. I am going to take this number and I'm just going to make it 3 or 4 times. I notice when I do a lot, it really slows the program down. Keep it kind of limited. So we're also going to go forward for a short amount and turn for a certain amount. All right, so if I go forward for a short amount, like let's say 25 millimeters, and I turn right for a certain amount, well, I want each turn to be a total of between 90 and 180 degrees if I'm going to turn back and create a spiral shape. So depending on how many times I repeat it, okay, I'm repeating 4 times and I want to be between 90 and 180, so pick something that fits into that range. I'm going to repeat 34 times and that fits into that range just fine. So already I can just go ahead and give this a try. And instead of the grid map, which is the default playground that we use, the reason I don't want to use this one is because I start in the corner. I think the best one for a spiral is to drop this down and select the art canvas. Just like that. And the nice thing to me about this, it's about the same as the other one, except you start in the middle. So you don't have to go to the trouble of messing around with that. And there it is, and it's going to go ahead. If I hit play and start drawing the thing, it'll go forward, it'll turn, and I'm sorry, let me uncover this so you can see it better. Oops. And let me actually just click. Oops. All right, so anyway, let me put it over here and then scoot this over. So I'm just going to let that run while I keep working, or while I keep talking anyway. So what's the problem here? I turned for 120 degrees and now I'm in a strict triangle. Okay, so I have to change that. I don't want to just create a triangle. Let's just throw it off by a little bit. Turn 31 degrees. And so I am going to stop that and reset it. And you will see the results in my next video.